Hello my small angels, how are you? See, so pretty toys in front of you. You can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So how many toys in front of you? 6. If I remove one, now count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again I remove 1, 2, 3, 4. Again one remove. How many toys in front of you? 1, 2 and 3. Again I remove, and in front of you 2 toys and 1 whiteboard. Oh my God! What is this? 1 girl and 1 boy in front of you, and today they will teach you elephant is a girl and this duck is a boy. Okay, and they will teach you how to write 1 to 10. 1 to 10. Let's start. Now dear little children, you can see colors. Oh my God, multicolor colors. 1 color, 2 color, 3 color, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So how many colors in front of you? 10 colors. Wow! It is on whiteboard. Now 10 more color pens I'll show you. You want to see? See! 10 multicolor pens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So today we will learn how to write counting 1 to 10. So in front of you, one beautiful page box is there. These are small squares, and in squares we will learn how to write counting. Okay, now with pink color we will write. Which number is the first number? 1. How we will write? We will write 1 like this. When you write 1, you cover full box. Then it is 1. Okay? You know how? Now, how many nose do you have? Can anybody tell? 1 nose, right? So like this. 1. 1 pen. 1 pencil. 1. Next number is, what is coming next? 2. Now 2, how we will write? Now this thing we will learn. What we will do? We will draw sleeping line on the top, then little curve, come near the beak of the box, and then sleeping line. Now, which is the first number? 1. 1. Right? Which is the first number? 1. 1 sheet, 1 board, 1 nose. How many nose do you have? 1 nose. This is our nose. 1 nose. Okay. Now we will learn how to write 2. How we will write 2? आपको सबसे पहले इसको, ये देखो ऊपर की लाइन है ना, उसमें स्लीपिंग लाइन डालना सीखो. ऐसे छोटी छोटी बीच में ऐसे करके, ठीक है. उसके बाद स्लांटिंग लाइन नियर द बीक ऑफ द बॉक्स. बॉक्स का जो कॉर्नर है ना, उसकी कॉर्नर में आना है. कैसे करना है? कर्व एंड देन स्लीपिंग लाइन. 2. once again, curve, touch the beak, sleeping line. 2. 2 eyes. How many eyes do you have? 2 eyes. 2 ears. Do you know what are the ears? Kaan. How many ears do you have? 2 ears. Now next number is 3. So how we will write 3? Sometimes children are writing 2 gola, gola mola, like. That is wrong. Okay. Today we are learning correct formation. How we will write 3? First, the corner of the box, draw sleeping line. Make a straight line sleeping, then slanting line, then little curve. Like a say an R. Okay, again I am drawing for you. Sleeping line, slanting line. This is called slanting line, teddy line. Then curve 3. Again sleeping line, slanting line, curve, sleeping line, slanting line, curve. So what is this? 3. So can you tell me what is this? 1 pen, 2 pens, and how many pens do you have in front of you? 3 pens. Okay. Now next number is 4. Look it very carefully. You have to learn this formation, and this is very, very important. Now we change the color of the sketch pen. Now blue color. Okay. Now first we will do what we will do. ये जो हमारा बॉक्स है ना, उसकी मिडल लाइन में पॉइंट डाल लिया. अब इससे हमने एक स्लांटिंग लाइन डालनी है और उसके बाद एक स्लीपिंग लाइन ऐसे बीच में, बॉक्स के बीच में स्लीपिंग लाइन, देन स्ट्रेट 1. अब देखो जो लाइन है वो बाहर निकल गई. 4 इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू लर्न. So many children are writing like this. So many children are writing 4 so many ways like this also. But this is not the correct formation. This is the correct formation. Slanting line, draw the middle point, then slanting line, cut the long stomach, and then 1. This is called 4. Again, I am drawing for you 4. Now, see, 1 ball, 2 balls, 3 balls. So, how many balls in front of you? 4 balls. Now, next number is 5. Sleeping line, 1, and then little curve. So, first we will change the color of the pen. Wow, purple color. Let's start. First of all, to write 5, आपको ऊपर एक स्लीपिंग लाइन डालना है, ठीक है? फिर उसके नीचे छोटा सा 1 एंड देन सेमी सर्कल. वेरी इजी. अ के अनार जैसा, 3 जैसा, है ना? Once again I draw for you. In the middle of the box always start the number. Small 1 and then curve. Again middle of the box. Sleeping line, small 1, curve. Again middle of the box. Sleeping line, small 1, curve. 5. What is this? 5. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Can anybody tell me which fruit is this? Grapes. And what is the color of the grapes? Green. So I color grapes for you with the green color. So how many grapes in front of you? 5. How many fingers do you have in one hand? 5. 5. So how many numbers we have done? We have done 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So my little angels, today you have learned 1 to 5 counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 till 5 you have learned. Now you do practice, make a worksheet and share this video to your friends, okay? And if you never subscribe it, and subscribe it also. So till then, we will meet very soon where we will learn 6 to 10 counting. Bye bye.